it recording? You can sit the way you were before.
I want a motherfucking cock! Wait, monster cock! Oh, here we go. I wish today it would rain all day. Maybe that would kind of make the pain go away. Trying to forgive you for abandoning me. Praying, but I think I'm still angel away. Angel away, got strange in a way. Maybe that's why I think the strange in a way. They got the guns out aiming at me, but I become near when they're aiming at me. Me against them. Me against enemies, me against friends. Somehow they both seem to become one. A sea full of sharks and they all smell blood. They start coming and I start running. Must be surprising, I'm just imagining I win. God, so higher, 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 more fire. I want a motherfucking monster cock. Yeah, you're jealous. Come on. Okay, here we go. Shit. Everybody wanna try to box me in, suffocating every time it locks me in. Paint their own pictures, try to trap me in, but I will remain where the top begins. Cause I am not a word, I am not a line, I am not a word that can never be defined. I'm not black, I'm levitation. I represent entire generations. I'm here to create some love. That is how I know that this time is me. See, shit. But I ain't got the time to spare. Cry my eyes out for days upon days. Such a heavy burden placed upon me. But Yankee Stadium case. To conquer. To thrive. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I can't win. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. I can't win.
Oh, God.